Hello learners, welcome to another aptitude session on simplification. So when we talk about simplification, it is a very important topic that has been asked in most of the aptitude papers and also different entrance exams and bank exams and so on. Now when we talk about simplification, one of the most important thing that we need to learn is BODMAS, the BODMAS rule, as it suggests here. So first, the B stands for brackets. So we have to solve the values, try to remove the brackets first. Then we move to the next part, orders. That is square roots, indices, exponents and powers that has been mentioned has to be solved next. Then we followed by the division. So any numbers or factors that has to be divided has to be completed. Then we move on to the next part of multiplication. Then we start multiplying. Then we go for addition. Then finally we subtract. This rule is called the BODMAS rule. Now let's look at the first problem. So the first problem, it says that's A, that is x minus 2763 divided by 86 into 13 is equal to 208. So learners, we just have to do step-by-step process here. So now what I'm going to do is, first step, I'm going to bring this 86 down here with the division, because we have a division sign here, and I'm going to bring the number 13 down to this side. So I'm going to bring 13 here and I'm going to bring 86 down here. So I'm going to write x minus 2763 divided by 86 is equal to 208 divided by 13. So this is my first step. Now next, so I'm going to on to the left side, that is x minus 2763 divided by 86. Now I'm going to divide this number 208 by 13. So that makes it 13 10 times 130 and 13 6 times 78. 130 plus 78 is 208. So that is 16 times. Now the next step is, I'm going to bring this 86 here. So that is x minus 2763 is equal to 16 into 86. Okay, so so now let's solve this. X minus 2763 is equal to 16 into 86. So let's solve. That is 6 into 6 6, and that comes up to 1376. So x is equal to 1376. I'm going to bring this minus 2763 to this side. That makes it plus 2763. That is x is equal to 9, and the total comes up to 4139. See, it's very easy. We just have to solve step by step, and let's take it so that you'll be able to get the right answer. Now let's look at the second problem. 3565 divided by 23 plus 4675 divided by x is equal to 430. As I did in the first problem, first part in the section A, the same way I'm going to do this time. 3565 divided by 23 plus 4675 divided by x is equal to 430. Now I'm going to divide this first. 3565 divided by 23. So when I divide 3565 divided by 23, I get 155 plus 4675 divided by x is equal to 430. So next what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take this 155 to this side here. So that is 4675 divided by x is equal to 430 minus 155. So 4675 divided by x is equal to 430 minus 155 is 275. Now x is equal to 4675 divided by 275. That the value of x is 17. So easy, viewers. So this is the way we solve. We take it step by step and we solve it, and we'll be able to find the. Now let's look at this next problem. So here, let's simplify A. The first problem I'm going to take here, A, that is 108 divided by 36 off. Off means multiplication, divided by 1 by 4 plus 2 by 5 into 3 1 by 4. This is the problem that we have. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide this 36 by 4, right? Because it is 36 into 1 by 4, that is 36 by 4. So I'm going to write like this: 108 divided by 36 by 4 plus 2 by 5 into, so I'm going to convert this mixed fraction into simple fractions. 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 by 4. Next, so we have 108 divided by, so 4 9 times, that is 9, plus 2 by 5 into 13 divided by 4. Now I'm going to take 2 1 time and 2 2 times. Now let's write here. So 108, and I'm going to divide this by 9, which I'm going to bring it here, and plus 13 divided by 10. Now 9 1 times and 9 12 times. So we have 12 plus 13 divided by 10. That is equal to 133 divided by 10. So when we convert this into a mixed fraction, it will be 10 13 times, and with the 3 remainder by this one. So this is our answer. So the next problem is a boy asked to multiply a certain number, which we don't know what the number is, by 53. He multiplied it by 35 and got the answer less than the correct one by 1206. So there's a number that he's supposed to get, but he got 1206 lesser. Find the number to be multiplied. Now let the required number be x. Okay, so we should find out what is the number he is supposed to multiply. So let's call it as an x. Now the next step is then, so we multiply this x with 53, so that is 53x. Now he multiplied it by 35, right? So he's supposed to multiply the number by 53, but what he did is he multiplied by with a lesser number by 35. So we have to reduce that to 35 into x, but we still don't know what the number is, which is equal to 1206. So 53x minus 35x is 18x is equal to 1206. So when we x is equal to 1206 divided by 18. So the answer is 67. So the learners, you look at it, it's very simple. Only thing is what we have to understand is how to understand the certain numbers in the question, right? And what is the difference and what is the number that we need to find out. If we can understand the question correctly, we'll be able to solve the question within 2 to 3 steps. The next problem that we'll be looking at is where we have 3 equations. So this is equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. So we're going to simplify these equations and we are going to find the value of x, y, and z. It is a very easy problem. The only thing is we have to understand the right steps to do this problem. So first I'm going to take this equation 1. This equation has 2x plus 3y plus z is equal to 55. So this equation looks more have much bigger numbers compared to equation 2 and equation 3. So my first step is going to be, I'm going to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write 2x plus 3y plus z is equal to 55 minus x plus z minus y is equal to 4. So that is 2x plus 3y plus z minus x minus z plus y is equal to 55 minus 4. So here I get 2x minus x is x, 3y plus y is plus 4y, plus z minus z. So these two gets cancelled, is equal to 55 minus 4 is 51. So this is my equation number 4. Now the next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing, but this time equation 1 and equation 3. So with this, what I'm going to do is, when I subtract equation 1 from equation 3, that is subtract equation 3 from 1. So once I subtract equation 3 from 1, I will get 3x plus 2y is equal to 43. So this is my equation 5. Now the next step, what I'm going to do is, so I need to find the value of x using equation 4 and 5. So what I'm going to do is, so first I need to cancel this y. So what I will do is I'll multiply equation 5 with 2. So I'll multiply, next step is to multiply equation 5 with 2. So I get 2 into 3x plus 2y is equal to 43. That is equal to 6x plus 4y is equal to 86. This is my new equation 5. So now what I'm going to do is, this is my equation 6. So what I'm going to do now is, I'm going to subtract equation 4 from equation 6. So that gives me, when I subtract equation 4 from 6, I will get 5x is equal to 35, which is equal to x is equal to 7. So we got the value of x. Now what I have to do is, I have to use the value of x in any of these equations. So I'll be able to find the value of y and z. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take x plus 4y is equal to 51. So that is, I'm going to put the value of x in, that is 7 in equation 4. 7 plus 4y is equal to 51. Y is equal to 4y is equal to 51. y is equal to 51 minus 7. So y is equal to 51 minus 7 is 44. That is 4y is equal to 44. So y is equal to 11. So this is the value of y. So next step is, we have to find z. So I have the value of y and x. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put the value of x and y in equation 2. So what I'm going to do is, that is 7 plus z minus 11 is equal to 4. So that gives me, so 7 minus 11 is minus 4 plus z is equal to 4. So the value of z is, when I bring 4 this side, it will become z 4 plus 4, which is 8. So this is the way we solve this particular problem. Okay, now let's looking at the next problem. A man owns 2/3 of the Market Research Bureau business and sells 3/4 of his shares for 75,000. What is the value of business? So we have to find the value of business. The most important thing here, this word of here. So that of means multiplication. So what we do is, so we need to find the value of business, which is x. Alright, so let's start. It's a very easy problem. We're going to solve 2 by 3 into, as it says, of 3 by 4. So that is 3/3 of 2 by 3 into the total value of the business is equal to 75,000. So let's solve this. 3 ones and 2 ones and 2 times, that is 1 by 2 into x is equal to 75,000. Next, x by 2 is equal to 75,000. Now I bring this 2 here, that is x is equal to 75,000 into 2. So x is equal to 1,50,000 is the total value of business. See, it's a very simple problem. If we understand the question and solve in a proper order, we'll be able to get the right answer. Now let's look at the next problem. So Ram went to a shop to buy 50 kg of rice. He buys 2 varieties of rice, which cost him 4 rupees 50 paise per kg and 5 rupees per kg. So the 2 varieties of rice he bought, one for 4 rupees 50 paise per kg, another one is for 5 rupees per kg. He spends a total amount of 240 rupees. So total sum was 240 rupees. What was the quantity of rice bought which cost him 4 rupees 50 paise per kg? So we have to find the amount of rice, the kgs of rice that he bought for 4 rupees 50 paise. So now let's start solving the problem. Let the quantity of rice purchased for 4 rupees 50 paise be x. So let's consider the quantity of rice purchased be x for 4 rupees 50 paise. Then the quantity of rice purchased for 5 rupees is equal to 50 minus x, because we have to remove the amount of rice which has been purchased with the rice that has been purchased for with the 4 rupees 50 paise. kg here. Now we add this, right? 4.5x plus 5 into 50 minus x is equal to 240, which gives me 250. So 4.5x minus 5x, that is minus 0.5x is equal to 240. Minus 0.5x is equal to 240 minus 250, which gives you x is equal to 0.5x is equal to 10. So that is x is equal to 10 divided by 0.5. So the value of x is 20. So he bought 20 kgs of rice with the price 4 rupees 50 paise.